Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a gift card inquiry. You can see how much, what the balance is on a gift card. So for that, you're going to go to Checkout over here, and then you should have a gift button. If you don't have a gift button, that means gift cards hasn't been set up on your system, and you need to reach out to your Heartland dealer or Heartland rep. Once you hit this, now you have the option to redeem. And that's going to wake up your pin pad and allow you to swipe it. There's also an Inquire and QR code over here. Now the Inquire really only works for entering the number or swipe, but you have to have an MSR able to do that. And an MSR is just a mag strip reader that plugs into the side of your iPad. So if you don't have that connected to your iPad, this won't work. So otherwise, you inquire with the QR code. Now, if you're using Heartland Payment Systems as the processor for the gift cards, it should say on the bottom of the back of the gift card, it should say Heartland and Heartland Payment Systems. If you have that, then you should see the QR code on the back as well. So if we hit this QR button here, and it pulls up the camera, scans our QR code, and shows that we have the balance there. And of course, we can proceed to redeem after that at that point. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.